Welcome student to this session of English. We are going to see a lesson 2.2, a true story of a sea turtle of standard 9th English, written by Bhav Kaddare of Sahyadri Nisargamitra. Children, here we are going to see a lesson called A True Story of a Sea Turtle, written by Vishwas Dattatray Kaddare. As you can see the image of this personality on your screen, he is the person who is running an NGO and he has many volunteers who are working under him for the saving of the wildlife. So here is a story of a sea turtle, a true story it is, and it is about the lesson on wildlife and ecology protection. And it gives information about the Sahyadri Nisargamitra, that is this is a leading NGO engaged in the conservation of education and research on nature. In the year 1992, they started their work in Pristine of Konkan in Maharashtra and have their headquarters in Chiploon. Some of the commendable projects were Indian swiftlets on Venglur rocks, white-bellied sea eagles, survey done in Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. We were surveying the white-bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. As we roamed around the coast, one of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pits with white egg shell nearby. Enquiries with the villagers revealed that they were the turtles' eggs. This came as a surprise. We had never come across the turtle's egg in our walks along the beaches of Konkan in all these years. We decided to study this unusual occurrence further. We learned that the beach where we had found the eggshells had been sealed for the public for nearly 1 month. After smuggling, silver bricks were caught in that area. So we come to know here, children, as the volunteers were doing the survey of the white-bellied sea eagles. White-bellied sea eagles means, children, the large bird, it is called the day bird of prey which hunts the prey, means have the food near the water. As we were roaming around the coast, means the volunteers, one of our volunteers of our team saw a big hole where the white egg shells of the turtles were there. When we inquired with the villagers, they disclosed that these were the turtles' eggs, and this was very surprising for us because we had never come across the turtles' eggs in our walk before this on the same beach of the Konkan for so many years we had been there. So our volunteers decided to study this unusual thing in detail. So the volunteers came to know that the beach was being sealed for the public for nearly 1 month, as smuggling of silver bricks was caught in that area. Turtles nest along the entire coastline of our state. There are few people in every village who keep combing the beach in early hours of the morning throughout the year. When female turtles come on the shore to the nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of the wheels on the sand. The egg hunters follow this trail up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. They dig up the nest and steal all 100 to 150 eggs that are laid inside. These are either eaten up or sold up in the market. So children, we can see that what is a trap type thing which female turtle leave behind. You can see in the image in the eggs of the turtle. Now when people who are combing the beach in the early hours, means the one who is coming in the early hours on the beach in the search of the eggs, they follow the female turtles. Once the female turtles lay the eggs and they move behind back to the sea, they just follow this track which is left behind by the female turtles, and they go and dig it up to the half meter deep inside the pit, and they try to take whatever the number of eggs may be. One time one female lays 100 to 150 eggs, in between 100 to 150 eggs. So they take all the eggs, they either sold it in the market or they themselves eat it up. So like this, people in the early hours keep in search, coming on the beach in the early hours to find the eggs of the female turtle. turtle spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. In India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under the Schedule No. 1 of Indian Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. That means turtles have been given as much protection as the tigers. As we all know, children, tiger species are left very few in numbers. So it's the Forest Department and the Indian Wildlife Protection Act which doesn't allow any more hunters to hunt tigers. Same way, sea turtles are becoming very less in number. As we have seen that out of 1,000 only 1 or 2 survives. So that is the reason when any female turtle are being found, it has been killed or the eggs have been stolen or it has been used for eating purpose. Those people have been caught under this Protection Act, Indian Wildlife Protection Act, and been punished for this heartless act which they are doing, breaking of the eggs before it gets matured or selling it in the market. Like this old practice have been put under the punishment.